I launched a paid workshop from a beach in Portugal and closed 20 seats for $75 each before dinner. No office, no time zone wars. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 24. I'm Marcus Chen, and today I'll show you the exact AI prompts in Glue Tools to build a repeatable, automated workshop you can run from anywhere.
Hold up, 20 seats before dinner? That sounds like a neat headline, but I want to know how you actually get buyers without binge emailing or living in your inbox.
Fair. The short version. Build one high-value 90-minute workshop, automate signups and payments, deliver a tight live facilitation, and monetize replays and micro-consults afterward. Over time, monthly cohorts and a reusable asset library turn a one-off into predictable income. I'll give you Pace-ready prompts, a compact tech stock, a weekend sprint plan, and a 30-minute checklist you can run tonight.
Good. Promises only if there's a repeatable system. Walk me through the pieces so I know where to focus first.
Think of the workshop factory as a set of parts you wire together.
Yeah, automation is the secret sauce. What are the parts?
Curriculum and outcomes, slides and a verbatim facilitation script, landing page and sales copy, booking plus payments, email funnel and reminders, recording capture and replay editing, and post-event monetization, like templates and console upsells. Each maps to an AI task plus a simple no-code tool, so you don't rebuild the wheel.
Okay, show me real prompts, something I can paste into ChatGPT or Claude and actually get usable output.
Start with the curriculum. Paste exactly and swap your niche. Create a 60-minute live workshop for audience, freelance web designers on topic, pricing strategy. Include a 3-part agenda with learning objectives, 2 one-slide visual metaphors, 3 rapid assessment questions, and estimated minute timings. Use practical, action-oriented language. Run that, skim for voice, then iterate.
Nice. What about slides? I need something non-designy I can use right away.
Slide prompt. Generate 8 to 10 slide titles and 1-sentence speaker notes each, based on this curriculum. Paste curriculum. For each slide, suggest either one stock photo idea or one simple chart and a 1-line data point. Keep slides skimmable for non-designers. That gets you a deck skeleton you can paste into Google Slides or Descript storyboard.
Emails and social clips too. Don't make me handcraft subject lines at midnight.
Email funnel prompt. Write a 6-email sequence. Confirmation, pre-workshop value drop, 24-hour reminder, 1-hour reminder, replay delivery, and 3-day upsell. Keep subject lines under 6 words and CTAs focused. Include merge tags for first name and workshop date. Social clips prompt. Create 5 30 to 45-second video scripts tied to workshop moments, plus captions and hashtags for LinkedIn and Instagram to drive replay signups. Finally, facilitation script prompt. Produce a verbatim 90-minute facilitation script with an opening hook, 3 guided activities, transition phrasing, and a closing upsell. Mark timing for each section.
Curious. Those prompts are solid. Now tell me the weekend stack so I can glue these outputs into a live funnel without spending a week.
Small stack. ChatGPT or Claude for content. Descript for recording and quick edits. Calendly plus Stripe for booking and payments. Card or Webflow for a single landing page. Zapier or Make to glue form submissions to emails and delivery. Gumroad or a simple membership locker for replays. Day-by-day sprint. Day 1, curriculum, slides, landing copy. Day 2, build page, connect Calendly and Stripe, set up emails. Day 3, rehearse, run a paid pilot, record and edit replay. Tight, test, ship.
Talk numbers. Give me a concrete example with a person I can picture.
Picture Anna, a freelance copywriter in Mexico City. She runs a 90-minute workshop with 20 seats at $75. Gross is $1,500. Subtract payment fees and tool subscriptions, call it $100 to $200, and she nets roughly $1,200. Run that monthly and it's about $14,400 annually from one offer, plus upsells, $29 to $99 replays, or converting a few attendees to $500 monthly retainers. The leverage is in reuse and automation, not constant live hours.
I need to push back. AI hallucinations are real. If a model invents a stat or an unsupported tool claim and you say it on stage, you'll lose trust fast. And if you say that without verification, you risk refunds and cred damage. Fast rule. If you can't verify a fact in 60 seconds, don't present it as fact. Verify, then say, based on X source, or label it as anecdote. Also, habit checklist. 1. Quick fact check. 2. Add source links in your replay notes. 3. Mark anything speculative in your script as try this, not this works.
Exactly. Add a 10-minute expert verification pass to your prep. You, a peer, or a paid micro-reviewer. Replace vague claims with local examples. Cite sources for stats, and flag legal, medical, financial content for specialists. For payments, test with sandbox accounts, and build automation alerts for failed charges or double bookings so you catch problems early.
Burnout. How do you scale without turning into a one-person support line?
Start with monthly cohorts or replays plus a single live Q&A. Rotate facilitators or hire a fractional facilitator when demand grows. Create a partner-ready script so others can present your workshop with consistent quality. Automate admin, refunds, confirmations, replay delivery. That keeps your hours focused on high-value client work or scaling the business.
Certified partner scripts. Now that is sexy. All right, no excuses. Give me a 30-minute checklist I can run tonight so I actually launch a paid pilot.
Do this now. Read each step and do it. Pick niche and price. Decide who and what you charge. Run the curriculum prompt. Generate a 60-minute outline, 5 to 10 minutes. Auto-generate 8 slide titles plus speaker notes, 10 minutes. Build one-page card with Calendly plus Stripe booking, 10 to 15 minutes. Create 2 automated emails, confirmation and replay delivery, 5 minutes. Test booking and payment in a sandbox, 5 minutes. If you have 60 minutes, rehearse and record a short segment for a replay clip. Ship the paid pilot. Gather feedback. Iterate.
That's doable and actionable. If listeners want a guided path with templates and the exact zaps, what's the next step?
I teach a short course that walks you through the full workshop factory. Every prompt, zap, and landing page template included, plus video walkthroughs and live Q&A so you can avoid common pitfalls. Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses to get templates, scripts, and the Sprint workbook. That's your AI blueprint for today.
Let's make this actually work for you. Start small, validate with a paid pilot, run the verification ritual, then scale with automation and ethical checks. Check the show notes for paste-ready prompts and the Sprint checklist. Go build one thing this week.
Thanks for listening. And remember, this changes everything for nomads who treat workshops as both income and marketing. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. See you tomorrow.